Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by signing into Office 365 and opening SharePoint. Enter the site URL or select your Teams link site. This authenticates permissions so you can create. Once signed in, choose Team versus Communication site depending on collaboration needs because the template changes navigation and web parts. Make sure you have a list of folders and metadata you will use. This accelerates structure. Next, create the site now, name it clearly and set privacy, so you can immediately add libraries and configure content types. Once the site exists, you create document libraries and enable versioning and retention. This protects documents and supports recovery. You then define content types and columns so metadata is consistent. Use required fields to enforce input. Make custom views for common filters and quick access. Next, connect Power Automate flows. Add approval workflows for publishing and alerts for changes. This reduces manual tracking. As you set permissions on libraries, use groups not individuals to scale management and maintain least privilege. To finish, publish site pages, add web parts for news and document quick links, and verify every link and permission. This ensures users see intended content. You train staff on uploading rules, tagging with metadata, and using search effectively so adoption is smooth. Once live, monitor activity and adjust views or retention as needed. If sync or access problems occur, check the OneDrive sync client, clear cache, and confirm library permissions. This common fix restores access quickly and avoids data duplication.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.